Ọbàtálá is the father of everything that is being created, because everything springs out from his essence. When we talk about Ori, people don't want to agree that Ọbàtálá created everything. So, in the indirection, they said Ọbàtálá is the one that created the Ori. He only created the Ori. Okay, if I want to partially agree with them that Ọbàtálá only created the Ori, then that means that even the Ori of the Irumoles, talking about Ọ̀rúnmìlà, Ifá, Èṣù, Ṣàngó, Ọ̀ṣun, were all being created and crafted by Ọbàtálá. And that is why when you want to say Òrìṣà, you first of all mention Ori, before you put the Sha that end it. When Ọbàtálá created everything, he said, I want to sit on the head. I want to sit where the soul is located. The soul of human beings were in the head. Just let me sit down and control the part of the body. And indeed, inside the head, you have the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the ears. Even before the stomach eats, it passes through the head, which is the mouth. Before the lungs breathe, it passes through the nose, which is part of the head. Before you can perceive and have a perspective, it passes through the ears. And before you feel, it passes through the brain. The brain coordinates all the affairs of everything. That means that Ọbàtálá coordinates all the affairs of the Irumole. Whether everybody agree or they don't agree,